Today I'm going to show you how I lay out and cut my braces. I've been making these braces for a while. Luckily my wife has been letting me make them in the living room because it's freezing outside and the days are short. So I've been making these in the living room and I'm about done. So in total I need to make 14 braces, and this is my last one, I think, or my second to last one. So I've been making them for a while and I'm getting slightly faster at it, but I'll show you how I do it. So for each of my braces, I've got a post that comes down and a tie beam that goes across. So this will be the post. I'll have my tie beam here. Something like that. And then my brace comes across like this. And this distance from this corner here to this corner here is 30 inches. And from this corner here to this corner here, that's also 30 inches, which makes this distance from here to here 42 and 7/16, or pretty close to that. So from this corner here to this corner here needs to be 42 and 7/16 inches. So I'll show you how I lay it out. So I go from that. Come down 42 and 7/16. Okay. I'm going to draw, or I'm going to measure out, like I said, that corner is at 3/8. And then, to make the angles, I just take my square here, the combination square. I'm going to draw those angles out. I'm going to do that on the other side. And now what I want to do is I want to mark out the shoulder, as you can see, or mark out the tenon that I want to take off there. So the mortise depth is 3 inches, so I make this depth here 2 and 7/8. So we've got 2 and 7/8. And usually I'd come out here and just draw that with that, which it looks like I can, but I'll do it with my framing square instead. Then I'll come over and do do the same thing on this side. A little off square. 7/8. It's kind of funky. It might be a little weird because of that knot there. Should be alright. Okay. Now, take my combination square. And mark down the line I want to cut first. So, I'm going to cut this one first. And let's see. My wood kind of split out there on the end, so. Trying to figure out where to draw that line. Right there. Okay. And we'll cut. I've made a video already about how to make a good cut, or a nice straight cut with a handsaw. I'll put a link to that video below and a tile at the end. Okay, now I mark out my next cut. And then I cut that. And mark out my tenon. Mark where I'm going to cut away here. Okay, now I've got cut this part off. I'm going to grab my crosscut saw again, and I'm going to cut down this line here. Cut the shoulder of the tenon. I could use a chisel, but I think on these ones it's slightly faster just to use the rip saw instead of the instead of the chisel. There we go. There's one tenon done. Now I just flip it around. Do the same thing on that end. Well, there we go. There's one more brace that I've got cut. Measure it. 42 7/16. Point. That's what we want.